Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about exponential functions. So let's get started. The parent function of exponential functions is y equals b to the x power. Our example we will be using is y equals 2 to the power of x. Let's plug this into our table of values. Our x values are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. When plugged into the formula, you get 2 raised to the -2 is 1/4. 2 raised to the -1 is 1/2. 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. And 2 raised to 2 is 4. This is how you graph y equals 2 raised to the x power. Our points are -2 and 1/4, which is right here. -1 1/2, which is right here. 0 and 1, which is right here. 1 and 2, which is right here. And 2 and 4, which is actually up here. Now we're going to find the y-intercept. Based on looking at this graph, to find the y-intercept, you need to look on the y-axis, which is right here. And as you can see, on the y-axis, there is one point, which is right here. So that means that the y-intercept has to equal 0, 1. Now we're going to find the asymptote. The asymptote is y equals 0 because the function will always get close to the line but will never cross the x-axis, which is right here. So this means that it is a horizontal asymptote and y is going to equal 0. Next, we will be talking about a single exponential function in the form y equals a times b raised to x minus h plus k. Our example that we'll be using is y equals 2 times 2 raised to x minus 3 plus 4. Based on our example equation, you can tell that there is a stretch factor of 2 because that's where our a variable is. You can tell that there is a shift to the right, and it's indicated by the 3 right here, which is our h value variable. And you can also tell that there is going to be a vertical shift upward of 4 because of the k variable. Here is the graph of y equals 2 times 2 raised to the x minus 3 plus 4. But I'm also going to show you this graph, which includes the parent function. I'm showing you this so that you can recognize the translations with the stretch factor of 2 and the shift to the right of 3 and the vertical shift of up 4. In this graph, the horizontal asymptote is always k because y equals k. So since k is 4, that means that the horizontal asymptote is y equals 4.